How to create a group on Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for Telegram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, click on open. Now at the bottom right corner, above the camera icon, tap on the pencil icon. Now on this menu page, click on new group. Now select the person you want to add and tap on next. Now enter the group name. Now if you want to auto delete messages on your group, select this toggle on. Now select the timer. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on next. And that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.